Hi guys, this is Caleb Harbert with the Service Estimator. I'm the founder of it and also Precision Cut Lawn Service out of the Indianapolis market. We built the tool for ourselves and we now sell it to everyone else since we haven't been able to find any good solutions. So something we're going to cover today is services and adding and deleting services. So when you sign up in this dummy account, you'll see that in the dashboard, I haven't set up any company profile, I haven't done any of that. But within services, it's preloaded with our company's basic pricing here at Indianapolis. Feel free to change them, add them, delete them, do anything you want. Let's say you accidentally delete one and you want to bring it back. Well, even if you delete it, you can click New Service to bring it back or to start your own, or you can click Deleted Service, just click Restore, and it will be brought back to your services here. You can again mess with the order however you want. Another really cool feature that we came out with was adding website plugins. So again, I own Precision Cut Lawn Service out of Indianapolis. We do about everything outside: seed, sod, bush hogging, everything else. I have used the tool to set up a bunch of different plugins for my company's website. Something new that we launched was allowing you guys to see individual tools that I've made for our company and refined and actually use, so then you can use them. I really like bush hogging, so if you view it, it doesn't give you a bunch of information, but it just shows you what our plugin is set up as. When you click Copy from Gallery and click OK, what it does is, when you look at your website plugins, you now have bush hog. And we click View, you'll see that it has bush hogging selected. But then in Services, it's actually added the service of bush hogging within the tool. And so when you click View, you'll see what our terms were, what my pricing model is. So we start at $750 minimum to bush hog. Since we use a skid steer to do it, we don't have a tractor. And then we charge, pretty simply, $200 or so an acre for everything after you pass our minimum. How we have it set up in the pricing: there's our minimum, $750 to come out, covers you to about 4 acres. Then after that, it's $50 per 10,000 square feet, so $50 per quarter acre for us to provide additional bush hog services. And so now that it's set up and it's within your tool, when you say send out a new estimate, and I'm going to just make up a new client. I'm going to click address of 10 Main Street, Carmel. Sure. You click the plugin that you want to send it from. So again, I'm going to just show you how to send out a bush hog estimate. You click the height of the grass, which I don't have it in. And then if it does have a fence, if you saw in my pricing, I did charge more for the gate if we have to remove fence paneling or whatever else. But now here we go. Here's a field. So let's say you have to bush hog this whole area. You mark out the area that you have to bush hog and click the green check mark. You'll notice that this area got marked. It adjusted the square feet to 347,000 square feet. If you notice, it updated our pricing. You have the ability to edit the price to where if you don't like it, you can adjust it. Again, it already had the info preloaded, so you have to update it to whatever you want. But in reality, you now know what I as a company would charge if we were to bush hog that same property, roughly, and then how to go from there. If you have any questions, just feel free. If you want to send it out to the client, you got to select the service, click Send Out the Estimate. You can add whatever information you want. You can click New Bush Hog. You can pretty much edit, copy it, submit it, send it, do anything and everything you want, and it's done. That's it. That's the tool, and have a great day.